Hey everyone, this is Dr. Tim and this is a pec stretch. So what you're going to do is find a doorway or a corner like this. You're going to rest your hand and your forearm against the corner. We're going to start with our upper arm parallel to the ground, and then all we're doing is turning our body away from our arm just until we feel that nice stretch through the pec. You can turn out of it and then turn back in. To kind of change the fibers that we are stretching, all we do is raise our arm a little bit. And same thing, just turn into the stretch, turn it out. We can also make the stretch a little more advanced. So in the same position, in that stretch position, we can gently press our arm into the wall. Hold it for about 7 seconds. It's not a huge contraction. And then relax. And then you'll find you'll be able to move a little farther into the stretch. And you can repeat that up to 3 times. So gently press, relax, and move farther into the stretch.